All right, now hempcrete. This is a bit of concrete, which is really heavy. That's concrete, right? Cannot replace this beautiful bit of hempcrete. So this is actually the older system where the timber frame is inside the wall and the hempcrete is rounded, is cast around it. But that requires to make it wet, mix it on site and walk it to the wall. Hi, I'm Johan T, founder of HempBLOCK International. I'm here to quickly go through the system just to clarify things, and let's start right from the beginning. Hemp, industrial hemp, these are some hemp stalks. There's millions of YouTube videos about this, but I'd like to explain all in one. The hemp stalks are cut off, dried, and we use only the wood that is within the hemp stalk. The fibers are sold separately. They're very strong for all kinds of products. So here we are. We've got the hemp wood that gets compressed and mixed with water and a lime mix to create blocks, hemp blocks. So that's us. So here we have some hemp blocks on display. We start with the LB300. So the LB300 is an interlocking block that does not require mortar. These blocks are not made load-bearing because then the fluffiness of the hemp block will disappear. The lightweightness, the fact that it is breathable, so we don't want to compromise that to make it load-bearing. We've invented a load-bearing system, and I'll show you first the old load-bearing system that we worked with before. The original system is steel reinforced concrete where steel bars are linked together with ligatures, and they're put inside here and filled up with concrete. So we stepped away from that system because this system is definitely faster. So the LB300 is a hemp block that is 300 millimeters deep, 600 millimeters long, and pretty much 300 millimeters high, or 308. So it's interlocking, no mortar required. There are three types of blocks, which I can demonstrate here. The standard block, which is the block without any holes or grooves. The column block, which will take the load-bearing system. And the U-block. And they're right here. So, how does our system work? First thing on the ground, take off the tongue and attach a groove on the floor. And we put in our steel stumps. Then we erect the wall, normally 9 blocks high, which is about 2.4. And we enter the FRP or steel post in that hole. So this is FRP, fiber reinforced polymer. This is a 2.5 meter long post that can withhold the loads of the wall. It's lightweight and very strong, yet flexible. Let me show you in the corner here how that goes. So we got the post in, then we enter a bit of steel and our ring beam. That will take the loads of the roof or the floor in case you go for 2 stories or 3 stories. So there's your ring beam. Around the post, we cast a lightweight mix of perlite and a little bit of cement and water to make sure that post is nice and sturdy and to connect all the blocks together. And that is really that. All right, so here we are with the HB series. HB stands for hemp block. This is just a rectangular block that is mortared together, and we supply them in 4 different thicknesses. So 300 mil, 200 millimeters, 150 and 100 millimeters thick. The blocks are connected with block ties to your back wall. Here we demonstrate the 100 mil thick, and they are mortared together. That's the 100 mil. This system is always a breathable system, made out of natural materials, breathable. Fantastically fire retardant, and mold won't grow on these walls. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. While I'm here, there's always the question how to put electrical conduits or electrical wiring services like data, electrical and plumbing in there. We can create a groove with the chainsaw, put the cable in there, and that's it. We'll fill that up with render and hempcrete, and that's it. That's all we need to do. So let's have a look in this building here. How does it feel? This is it's nice temperature here. You will experience that in your HempBLOCK house or in your hempcrete house. You experience this nice cozy feeling because there's no coverings on the floor. It's a little bit echoey here, but still the sound is pretty good. It just feels really nice. This is wall. These walls have been finished with 1 coat of lime render, not the second one. So it's the rough coat. This will be transported to the new owners, and then finished, electrical will go in, and then finished with a second coat. So here in the workshop part of the HempBLOCK Display Center and Training Center, we created 3 walls for testing, which will go out next week. So there are 8 blocks. This is a standard 2.4 wall height. This is how they go together. 2 coats of lime render. And this is also the start of our modular wall system that we'll put together soon. We have a bit of experimental stuff going down here, and our cabin that will be sold shortly.